So just got this beam style torque wrench, deflecting beam torque wrench I think they call them. It's in foot pounds and meter kilograms. Goes up to 140, 150 actually. And how it works is this needle moves around until you get to the right number on the diagram, and 30 or 35 New Zealand dollars, so pretty cheap. And I guess for the most part it's probably alright. I'm not really sure, like it would be hard to get like a very accurate, like if it needs to be 39, then it'll be kind of hard to know for sure that you've got it to that amount of torque. If it just needs to be like roughly 40 or so, I guess it doesn't really matter. I'm not really sure, just getting into that, like fixing stuff myself now, so I'm not really sure how precise things need to be, if it's, you know, just roughly around that amount. Or but yeah, also for like looking, you have to look on like the correct angle. You can't be looking from the side or anything, because it won't show, you won't see the correct reading, which can be hard for stuff like underneath cars. I just did up the transmission mount bolts. I was able to get under it, you know, put my head underneath this diagram and look at it. But yeah, it's a bit tougher, I guess, than one of those ones with like the clicking sound torque wrench. But I just thought I'd start off with one of these, and then at some stage invest in one of the more expensive torque wrenches. Good thing about this is that cheap, I guess. Cheap and probably alright for some stuff that I'm needing it for at the moment. Seems to be alright. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Cheers for watching.